Hi guys, welcome back to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you a task manager, a utility tool that is built into Windows. Very handy tool to check your processes and to see what's going on in the background of Windows. Like, you know, if you have something suspicious running or your computer goes slow, or maybe some applications are actually suspended and not responding. So you can check that in Task Manager. Okay, so in this case, if you want to get a Task Manager, click on the bottom taskbar, right click and Task Manager. Okay, so you have that option in Windows as well as in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So that's available. Right click on the task manager. Of course, you can use a search as well. You have to be logged in, of course, as administrator to perform some tasks. If you're not logged in as administrator, you're just gonna see and what's going on, but you can't suspend or you can't kill any apps or you can't do any changes on that. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you the processes on the left-hand side. Now, as you can see here, I have all the apps that are running in the background. I can check the statistics, CPU usage, central processor unit usage, memory, disk, network. Let's say that, for example, your process of Google Chrome saying not responding. So what you can do first take, you don't have to restart your computer. You can just go to Task Manager and just kill the process itself. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to restart. Some people actually do the full restart. You don't have to do that. You can just kill the process itself. So if Google Chrome, for example, taking a lot of resources, or maybe I'm just gonna select, for example, this video suite, right click on it and end task. Okay, so that will kill the process. You don't have to restart your computer. It will just kill that process. Now the other thing that you can check, if something is saying not responding, what you can do is you can right click on it and go to details. Okay, here I have the screen recorder and it's running. At the moment it's fine, but if you have here not responding, what you can try, it's not always working, but you can try right click on it and set priority. So this is the computer resources are allocated to the app. So if you click on high, that will allocate more of the resources of your computer, laptop or Windows or PC, sorry, PC. In this case, it will allocate loads of resources and might unsuspend your application. It's not always working, but it's worth to try. You can give it a go. It's always worth to try, of course, yeah. So that's that on the suspended and not responding processes apps that you might get on Windows. Now the other thing and the other tab on the left hand side is performance. Okay, so let's say that you can check the performance of your computer, and you can see what's the history, what's going on, and what's the usage of the memory hard drive. It's just the information, so you can just check some statistics here. Okay, app history, you can just see how long the apps are running, CPU time, etc., etc. Not relevant much, to be honest with you. I can just delete the usage history here just to reset that. You can just check statistics. Okay, startup apps on the left hand side. This is something that you might use. So for example, these apps, the whole list is the apps that actually are starting with your Windows. Okay, every time when you turn on your computer, these apps are starting. So if you notice that there's something wrong, something is going on with the laptop, it's very slow, starting very slow, you can disable these apps. Okay, so for example, I have Teams Update here, and what I can do here, just select that, and on the top right hand side, disable. So that will disable that app from the start app. So it's not going to start with your Windows, okay? And that might speed up a little bit your start. It says here that startup impact is high. So basically, if I'm going to disable that, it should give me a better kind of like a performance on start. So you can do that as well. Of course, you need to check what apps you're not using and what you are using. Okay, so this is something that you can have a look on Task Manager as well. Now details here, of course, this is what we've done before. So I went to here to check what's going on with this, and I can check just the priority to allocate resources to this process. Now the other thing that I want to show you is as well, if you're suspecting there's some kind of malware and you don't know the file, or you're thinking maybe something is going on and I don't know the processes, or something weird is on the computer, what you can check, for example, if I'm gonna go and have a look, I see what's this, I don't know this, it could be a virus, could be malware. So what I'm gonna do is now right click on it and go to open file location or go to details. So if I go to details, I see this here, it's selected. Where is that now? It's here. So the name is CTFMON. And I don't know what's that, to be honest with you. What's that? It could be a virus. So what I can do is I can actually Google it. Okay? So CTFMON EX. I just want to check what's that. So it's saying me what is the CTFMON EXE and why is it running. And it says here on Windows 11 it's responsible for text input. So it is genuine. Okay, I'm fine. That's okay. So if you have something else that could be suspicious, you can just go to the process, go to details, and have a look what's the exact name of the process, what is running, and then you can just Google it and see if this is something suspicious. If it is something suspicious, run antivirus. Just do the full scan with your antivirus, whatever you're using on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay. So yeah, that's I think that's it, guys. If you like this video, please of course click on like button. Please subscribe to my channel. We also launching a website, which is the you've probably seen it before here. It's TechCatAssist.com, and you can join our newsletter. You can see all the news, all the guides, all the videos that I published as well. Of course, we have some advertisement here. Of course, this is just to support us on the hosting and stuff like that. So that would be great. So you have everything here. Now, what else we have here? We have here as well our gift shop. So you can just go into that and just buy the t-shirts if you like some of them. That'd be great. It's also supporting our channel and our effort. We're just starting with this, so it would be very nice if you could support us on that. Okay, so thank you guys, have a nice day, all the best, and stay tuned in. Okay, take care.